Virtual Private Cloud allows you to secure your resources into groups that follow access rules and share a logical space. VPC is commonly used when launching EC2 instances, whether in the service of Elastic Beanstalk RDS or by themselves, in order to easily secure and control access to them. We've already discussed security groups as a key feature to control which IP addresses can talk with your EC2 instances, and VPC is the next evolution of that. You would still use security groups for your instances while they are launched into VPC, but Virtual Private Cloud also lets you have full control over routing tables, configuring NAT gateways for outbound traffic, and complete control over internal IP addresses for instances. Inside each AWS Virtual Private Cloud are one or more subnets. These subnets are a further way to group your resources and assign different rules to each. One of the main reasons for using multiple subnets within a VPC is to set up both private and public subnets. The private subnet would house your databases and application instances. The private subnet would have no access to the internet at all, keeping it quite secure. The public subnet, on the other hand, would have access to the internet and could utilize security groups to make it secure. The private subnet may use a NAT gateway in the public subnet to securely access the internet. You could also launch an EC2 instance in the public subnet to act as a tunnel to SSH into your private EC2 instances. Subnets provide another resource to increase the security of your AWS instances. Two of the key ways that Virtual Private Cloud controls routing is with route tables and network access control lists. Route tables allow you to override certain IP ranges and redirect the traffic elsewhere. A perfect use case is if you want to direct all outgoing traffic to a NAT gateway that will filter traffic and mask the instance's IP address. This can be accomplished with a single route table entry. Network access control lists, or ACLs, act as subnet level firewalls, allowing or disallowing IP ranges for both incoming and outgoing connections. By utilizing both network ACLs and route tables, you can ensure that your instances have multiple levels of security. Virtual Private Cloud pricing is extremely simple. It's free. Yep, there's no additional cost for using VPC when launching or managing your AWS resources. That means there's no reason not to use it, so do yourself a favor and keep your application secure with AWS VPC.